Samsung is easily beat the Apple. When we compare the CPU performance, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra have a Snapdragon Agent 3, which can easily beat Apple 3 Gnome TSMC architecture. When we compare graphics performance, Apple's M3 chip, looking at the GPU scores, this number absolutely crushes the number we get with the iPhone 15 Pro Max's GPU, meaning we're getting about 60 to 70% faster GPU on the AG Gen 4 and the Galaxy S24 Ultra chip. The test device has scored 10,628 multi-core score with 2845 single-core score. If Apple doesn't do big changes on the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max, they will face a huge loss on the iPhone 16 series. When we talk about performance, Samsung upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra, very powerful due to RAM, because they totally have a different strategy for 2025 in order to dethrone iPhones. Samsung have a custom Cortex X5 CPU core named Blackhawk for 2025, which is developed by Orum, and it gives a biggest performance to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, back to present situation. Samsung S24 has beat Galaxy Note 10 in the term of sales. According to Samsung, Galaxy S24 series sold 38% more S24 series model than the Galaxy Note 10. This news is coming Samsung home market, which is South Korea. And when we talk about other market, we'll see about the official numbers very soon. In this video, we will talk about monster of a chipset, which is Snapdragon Agent 4, and if Apple does not do big changes on the iPhone 16 series, they will completely destroy. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.